hug right now. Yeah, that's right, Bella.
All
Can you
right.
give him a kiss on his nose?
Give him a kiss.
Awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the arms.
Yay. Did you get it?
I did.
Okay. Okay, let's take a picture.
I think she wants to let go.
Woo!
She just wants to stay.
Yeah,
Right?
just like that. All right.
You want to stay with Mickey all day?
Yeah. Tell him bye-bye. Thank you. Woo! Thank you. Thank you, Mickey. Tell him bye-bye. This. Yeah.
Bye, Bella.
Tell him bye-bye.